Welcome to Enjoy My Life with Dawn here at the Elm Run Farms for the maple syrup tours throughout all of Ohio this month in March 2020. And today's a nice day. Today I'm first day I'm using my body cam mounting. So we'll walk around and see what we can see. Let me go ahead and adjust this. Okay. And everything's good. And over here we have, they sell beef, 100% grass-fed beef, pastured chicken, and pastured pork. And they also, what we came here for today is the maple syrup. And I have a kid's tent. And then here's the tent where they sell the beef. Oh.
We haven't had any snow down there to speak of. We had maybe one
We
little
really haven't
small.
here either.
Over here is where they have all the different things that you can buy to eat. And they're barbecuing over here. Actually, I think this is where they're making the maple syrup. Is this where they're making the maple syrup?
This is where they're making the maple syrup.
Okay.
Guy in here in the corner from around, he can
Okay.
probably answer most of your questions.
Okay.
He's a native farmer that's up in the boiling.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Yeah, that's good. So is this, do you know if this is from the trees around here or?
Yep, they've
Yeah.
got tubes tapped into the trees all through the ravine down in there.
Okay.
They've got the tubes here, tapped,
Okay.
and they just bring it up out of the woods, put it here, and feed it into the evaporator.
That's neat.
Earlier or later, I think I started
You can smell it. Sounds good. Thank you. Let me see if you can look down in there.
See it bubbling?
See it bubbling down there?
Not near, we're not really far yet.
And then everybody did.
And then see the tubes tapped into the trees over here. It's neat how they have this all set up all through the woods. Tap the trees for maple syrup. All the way down through there. They have different activities and fun things for the kids to do also. Come and taste some maple syrup.
It's probably a little bit lower. Depends on which batch.
They sell chicken, ground chicken, whole chicken, boneless chicken, and beef. Beef hamburgers, beef jerky, strips.
You Tom's brother?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm Andy.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I heard you.
And also pork.
Actually, my wife is a writer. She's a writer, right? Your sister.
Well, you mean like as far as
You need a receipt printed out?
And they sell 100% pure maple syrup. Samples right here.
$3.70. Thank you.
Mm. That is really good.
Is that all for you?
Sweet.
Oh, okay.
Very sweet.
$6.30. Thank you.
Okay. We got half a pint $7, pint $10, quart $16, and gallon $56.
Invading my territory here. You needed a receipt printed out?
Sure.
We go for a walk.
They have a petting zoo over here and some a fun area for kids. There's a big old shaggy dog out there. And coming in, we got to see all the cattle near the entrance of the farm. Hey doggy, how you guys doing? Oh no. Hello. Maybe not. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up? Huh? Yeah? Let's go look at the goats. That's the welcoming committee right there. There's the little goats. Hey guys. Are these the kids?
Yeah,
They're the kids.
they're 2 years old. This one's Billy, the black one, and this
Yeah.
is Sophia.
Okay.
They're both girls.
Oh, they're both girls.
Sophia, you're
Does-
gonna choke yourself.
Does Sophia like the butt people in the butt?
This one does.
Oh, that one does? Okay.
But they like headbutting too.
Yeah.
They don't like
Ooh,
you
that's-
touching their
Oh,
horns.
okay.
You can touch their head, they like that, but they don't like the horns
The
touched.
head like right there?
They like this.
Or back there?
especially.
Okay, back in the neck. There we go.
That's why I try to keep them from headbutting.
Yeah.
Hey,
That's not good.
and then
Oh.
Billy tries to follow Sophia.
Yeah.
See, she just...
Okay.
Billy, Sophia's eating there.
And there's chickens out here too.
Billy, Sophia's eating. Billy.
And another doggy all pinned up. Hey, chick. Chicky. I guess he's going into his little shed there. And there's another chicken over there. And I got the rest of the property. And you can see the trees down there. That tubing, I believe, is what are tapped into the trees to get the maple syrup. You can see that running across there. It's all through there, all through the woods. And along through here too. Yep, they're all tapped in. Making the maple syrup. Or extracting the maple syrup. I guess it's better to say. All through here. All along. You can see it down there too. Through there. Maple syrup being extracted. And then it's all put into here and go through this steamer and made into the sugary goodness that we all love to put on our pancakes. Well, that's it for today here at the Elm Run Farms, part of the maple syrup tours throughout Ohio here in the month of March 2020. Thank you for joining me. This is Don. Let's enjoy your life. Or enjoy my life, that is. Thank you.